pull people. We don't need to persuade people. We just need to inform them. People have enough problems. Do you believe in that? Do you think that everybody has enough problems? Yeah. So, what do I need to do? I just need to know his problem. Then what? Address his problem. If these products will address this problem, and this marketing guy will address this problem. Finish. Then he is good enough to think for himself. Then I will appoint him again, and he comes forward to follow up. Then I give him what? I give him business presentation again with what? With evidence. That's called follow-up. Then I get his questions and I give him the feedback answer. Is it clear? That's very important. Presentation is one of the basic tasks. So, and follow-up is the other basic task within 24 to 48 hours. But don't just talk during what? During follow-up. We need to show evidence on the industry, company, product, and bonus. Now, 60% of the people that you meet are what? Middle adapters, 10% early adapters, and 2% are what? Innovators. Yes? They create change. Then the other one is 20%. 20% of the society, they are late adapters. The late adapters are those people, when you present for them any idea that brings change, they do not accept in the beginning. They say no. They reject and they don't accept. Then what happens? Through time, listen to me, through time, when they see that their friends, family members, and colleagues, neighbors, most people are in the change and they don't want to remain alone, only then they join. They adapt late. They adapt for the change late. You know, when computer comes into Ethiopia, I think everywhere is the same, but in our country maybe it's worse. When computer comes first, then so many people, they were reluctant. This is devil. This is devil, this is devil. I know. Even the preachers in the church or in the mosque, they say that this is, they even got the calculation that it is 666. And I can't write this one here, yes? It's I so, but the calculation was, I remember, if you give A equals 6, B equals 12, C equals 6, 12,
24.
18, D equals 24. It goes on up to Z. Okay? Then they write COMPUTER. C is 18 plus O is how much plus whatever. Then total becomes 666. Yes, proof. You see, people, they even write their own presentation. Now, those preachers who calculated this one in the beginning, now they use computer. Yes? Even they preach using laptop. Why? Resistant. They were what? Late adapt. Did they adapt lately? Yes. But did they reject in the beginning? Yes. 20% of the society, they are late adapters. Now, there is another group that you and I will need to take care. Okay, 60 plus 20 is 80 plus 10 is 90 plus 2 is 90. So this is 8%. 92, yes. 8%, they are called laggers. Now these laggers, they never adapt, number one. That's not the problem. They never change. That's not the problem. They can even break a changing thing. Are you with me? Yes. You sense such kind of people in your family. Okay? You try to build a family. And then what, you know what happens? You have a happy family until one of the relatives comes and breaks this marriage bond. You have friendship, a very happy friendship. Maybe for the past 2, 3, 4, 5 years, You were having very good timing, you support each other, you love among each other, and you know you have very good bond until X comes or somebody Y comes, and then he, comes in between the bonds and breaks, and the team disintegrates. You have such business building team, and then you start to keep on working, and then some people join you, and Mr. X or this group comes, and the person says, "What? Are you wasting your time? What time you come here today? And then you're learning this thing? Are you serious? That means you're being brainwashed." You know, when everybody's afraid of this word, brainwashing. You know what they do there? They brainwash you. I met along those 15 years, I met so many people like this from this group. You know, what they do is they just brainwash you, that's it. Once your brain is washed, and you're supposed to think like that, and you have no other way. You know, even when I speak these words to you, even now, don't you have some little bit of fear? Is it not brainwashing? Even if it's an example, then you keep on doing brainwashing. Then going to the school is brainwashing you, yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah? Or every teacher brainwashes you. The science teacher washes scientifically, the spiritual teacher washes from the spiritual point of view, etc. Mathematics from the calculation of evidence,